Hello y'all on YouTube, this is Rob with Rob's Dirty Knives. Today we have a very special unboxing box of, I think, a lot of knives that came in from White Mountain Knives. Today I'm opening up with my tactile knife company, Bayer. This is a little slip joint that I actually got from White Mountain Knives. Recommend you go check them out. Super nice little sharp knife here. Now I needed to get a few things for some giveaways, and I thought, man, they had a bunch of cool stuff that I thought I'd like to check out. Let's see what we got. Okay, all right. So I told Josh about Justin about the upcoming 4K that we're about to hit, and looks like he included some cool things. A little sticker that'll be part of the giveaway. Oh wow, look at that! A knife bag small. That's really cool. A Vosti little gift bag, a little carry. That's going to be cool. That'll be definitely part of the giveaway. And of course, we got a bunch of peanuts. So let's see what we have in here. We're not going to open up everything. We'll just find one thing, but let's see what we got. All right, so we got a CJRB, very cool, and we have another CJRB, very cool, and then we have a little a Vosti in here, very cool, and then we have a little CJRB and another CJRB. All right, so I'm not going to open all of these at once, but we will definitely check them out. I'm going to put this over here. That's a cool little bag. That's the knife bag small from Vosti. That probably came with that then. And then this nice little patch. We're going to definitely be part of the giveaway. I'm really looking forward to that. All right, so what do we open up here today? What do you say? Let's pick. These are all knives I have never looked at. These are all brand new knives. I'm really excited because these are knives I have not had a chance to look at on yet. So let's start with this one. This is the J1903CF. All right, so everybody knows what that is. No, I'm just kidding. All right, let's take a look. I'm going to go ahead and open that up. What do we got here? All right, so a little desiccant pack there, a little bag there. Now this is part of their budget line, so I expect them not to have the super fancy, cases, but this is definitely looks like twill. Yeah, it looks like a peel ply. Is it peel ply or is it? Yeah, it looks like it's peel ply. Twill carbon fiber on top of G10 or something like that. I don't know. Maybe it's full carbon fiber. I don't know. Let's see. What is this particular knife here? All right. So CJRB. It is the J1903 ARRP M9 blade steel deep pocket carry clip. It is titanium. Carbon fiber. I don't know if that's just on the outside. It is not a fixed pivot or captive pivot. Excuse me. It looks like it has both on one side. T8's there. T6 is over there. Two standoffs in the back. Deep, like I said, deep pocket carry clip. The screws are recessed, but not inset. But it does allow for you to swap that to left and right hand carry. Let's go ahead and do a little flip. Nice little flip. Beautiful profile. Very, very almost Rick Hendricks, like a Rick Hinderer kind of a profile-esque kind of look to me, or Spartan blades, I don't know. Beautiful swedge on top, like that, really nice. Let's see the action. Liner lock, we're engaged at about a good 50%. Let's see how that drops. All right, a little tight, but that's okay. Just got it. And let's see, good axis cutaway, good little chamfering on there. So getting into that, yeah, you can definitely get past that. It is a little tight, it's one of those knives that I would probably tune after a while. Just got it, so yeah, it's pretty tight in there, which is nice. Some people might really like that, especially for a flipper. It's really being really tight, but I will tell you that looks like you can get access in there. Can I get in there? Yeah, I can. So hand's a little dry, so let's see if we can. Yeah, there we go. So you get the bonus flick if you can get in there. If it's not, it's a little oil on here. It's a little slippery, but I bet if we tune that just ever so slightly, because that is pretty stiff. Yeah, pretty stiff. And then let's see, where is the detent ball? It's about right there. So if you drop it there, you're clear. You can definitely get the nice drop. Yeah, there you go. So it definitely works. It's very robust. Steel liners. I'm pretty sure that's steel liners. Yeah, steel liners, steel clip. Yep, for sure. All right. Really, really nice. All right. So if I haven't already put the name up there, what is the name of this? Let me look this up real quick because, CJRB are so good with their names. And so it's always real easy to find their names. I'm kidding. They're not. It's a challenge. At least it is for me. So, give me a second. Okay, so this particular knife is called a Taiga, or Taiga. I'm going to say Taiga. It's carbon fiber. It is the proprietary, ARRP M9 powdered blade steel made by Artisan Cutlery. This is made in China, but it's about a $45 knife, so that's pretty cool. I think it was on clearance, and I thought, man, this looks like a really nice knife. I like the profile, and I thought this would be a great giveaway. I thought somebody would really enjoy that, and it feels pretty quality. I can tell you that I will tune this a little bit. We'll probably try to put a little, I don't know if we have any Skiff washers for this. I don't know if that'll make a difference on this one, quite frankly, but beautifully centered. That's nicely centered. Everything is chamfered. Actually, no, it's rounded. That's actually rounded. That's a nice touch. That's a nice touch. All right, so if you didn't see that, that is nicely rounded all the way around. You see that? It's not just chamfered, it's rounded. So it makes it very comfortable, very comfortable. You could choke up here as a trigger, but you're close to the sharpening control there, so be careful. Definitely would say be careful with that. There's no jimping up here, but it does have a little spot for you to go right there. Pretty wide scales. It's not a thin knife. Definitely feels solid in there, right? So that's nice. I have large hands, so notice I have a little bit of extra room, so I think extra large, double extra large hands would have no problem with this. That has that little weird kind of clip, but it doesn't bite. No sharp edges down here. It does fit in the recessed part of my hand. Over here it works pretty well as well. Let's feel that blade. Pretty sharp. Pretty even on that side. Pretty even on that side. It's a little longer on this side than that side, so that means it's probably going to have a look like it's off center. If you look here, it looks going to look pretty dead center. But if you look at the very tip and you get there, sometimes it feels like it's off a little bit. You can always reprofile that edge pretty easily. And that is breaking in nicely now. It's starting to break in pretty nicely. I will tell you that flipper, it's can you finger slip? Yeah, but you don't need a lot to make it flip. So you can do a push button or you can do a light switch and it works really well. It's not one of those super strong detents where your finger is going to slide off. That's really nice. All right, very cool little knife. I just wanted to do a quick unboxing on this one. I will tell you, is there any weight relief in this? Yeah, there's weight relief. So look at the steel scales in there. There's some milling out there. So there's holes in there, definitely some weight relief. The carbon fiber scales are pretty cool. I like that. Like I said, I wasn't sure. Let me zoom in a little bit. Is it carbon fiber? Is it carbon fiber all the way through, or is it just a layer, like a texture peel ply carbon fiber laid on top of G10? I can't quite tell. I don't know. But it looks nice. Definitely looks nice. And it's definitely a G10. I mean, it's not printed. It's definitely like whether it's veneer type of on top of G10 or whether it's like the twill on top of regular carbon fiber, I don't know. But definitely like that. All right, so let's look at the other one. Handle to blade ratio. All right, so there's a priority with a lanyard. So if you like lanyards, you'll definitely like that. That does make it stick out a little bit longer, which is good or bad. I mean, if you have big hands, I mean, it gives you more room back here, especially if you're trying to do something. You could pinch grip up here, definitely. I like the drop point there. It's pretty nice. I really, really like the swedge. It's a nice touch. It does have that almost, kind of a miniature Rick Hinderer look. It's not like it's trying to be copy, but it's got a beautiful aesthetic. Definitely a classic knife look to me. I like that. And that's a knife that I think you would enjoy and could use and hard use because it looks pretty solid. That steel liner is pretty thick and robust in there, and it does engage really well. No blade play. Any pivot lash? No. Let's listen to that detent here. Let's listen to the click. Okay, nice and click. Any detent lash? No. Let's listen to that again. One more time. We'll switch it around so you can hear. Nice click. Yeah, really solid. Definitely flips out. It's not super strong detent. Let's see, is it easy to fail? Yeah, you can fail it for sure. But I mean, if you're just coming up here, you put your finger on there. It's like if I'm just doing this. Let me see if I can just do it light and kind of sort of fail it. Yeah, you sort of can. So some of you guys who really like strong detents, you could tighten the detent up on this for sure. Make it a lot stronger. That's absolutely something that could be done for sure. But I find the detent not too bad. It's actually breaking in a little bit better, and it's pretty easy to disengage here. I don't know if I'll tune this or not. Maybe, we'll see. Maybe I don't need to tune it. But pretty cool little knife. I like the overall aesthetic and design of this knife. That is pretty nice. So that's the J1903, which is the Taiga, T-A-I-G-A, I believe it's called. Very cool little knife. I do like it. I do like it a lot. It's kind of a nice aesthetic. Big sharpening choil there, for sure. Definitely have a little bit of room. Nice thin edge. Comes down, pretty sharp edge. Pretty sharp blade. Yeah, that's nice. That's nice. I like that. I'm digging that. Very cool. That's the CJRB Taiga. Very nice little knife. Hey, if you have any questions about the knife or the review coming up, please let me know in the comments down below. If you have any questions to the channel about any of the knives or anything for the channel, please let me know as well in the comments down below. I'd love to hear from you. I do enjoy talking to every one of you guys. And if you have any, anything you'd like to know about this knife for the future review, please do let me know as well. Hey, thanks so much for watching today. I sure appreciate you guys. So if you found this content fun, interesting, worthwhile, entertaining, or informative, would you please consider hitting the like button down below? And if you've already hit that like button, would you please consider hitting the subscribe button? Subscribing and liking the videos really helps out the channel. Allows the channel to grow, produce more content, do more things, and ultimately more things for you guys. So thank you. Thank you to every one of you guys, especially to you guys who watch the reviews, who like them, and subscribe. I really appreciate it. You guys have no idea how much that helps the channel. It really does. And because that's how I do these giveaways, is you guys watching the videos, thank you. And to my subscribers as well, huge part of the channel as well. If it wasn't for, you guys watching the videos and you members, the members supporting the channel, I wouldn't be able to do these giveaways. This channel wouldn't be growing like it is. And so I'm very humbled and grateful to every one of you guys. So thank you to all my members out there. Hey, if you, been on the fence, you thought, yeah, I might like to be a member, check out the description down below. I do have some links for that, and I would love to have you. There's 3 different tiers. I do try to do a once a month giveaway for the members, and I'll send out a sticker to anybody who becomes, if you haven't gotten a member, or if you're a member and you haven't gotten the sticker, please contact me, right? I would love to have you. I'd be honored, and it'd be just huge. So thank you. Yeah, just want you to know that. So finally, also, if you haven't checked me out over on Instagram at robs_nerdy_knives, would love to see you over there. Again, if you wouldn't mind checking me out over on Instagram at robs_nerdy_knives, I would greatly appreciate that. Hey, thanks so much for watching today. Have a great day and a great week. Bye.